Bitcoin's price is pumping towards the upside for the past few days, and last week and throughout my last videos I'm saying that Bitcoin has to dump and will come exactly at my level and then only will again pump, and the same thing happened. Have I entered any trade or not? I will discuss each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and first of all I want to inform you guys that I was already bearish on Bitcoin here when we saw one last stretch towards the upside. I already informed you guys that there are high chances of the price of Bitcoin to dump from here, and it did a dump towards the downside, and I made a prediction that the price has not done a retest after this breakout. So if you look closely, this purple level of support and resistance, this whole zone from $58,000 approx to $60,000, price of Bitcoin did a breakout of it and was pumping towards the upside without even a retest. That's why I said that the price of Bitcoin has to dump towards the downside and come at this level at $60,300, make a support, and then we can see a pump towards the upside. And guess what, exactly the same thing has happened. You can watch my previous past few videos, and I already informed you guys at 27, 28 approx these dates only. So yeah, perfect analysis and perfect trade right there. Congratulations to all of you, and I hope you learned from this trade as well and my analysis, and not just copying me blindly, okay? And also my long position which I entered here at approximately $52.6 thousand, I have closed my long position as well, because you already know my take profit. Last take profit was somewhat over here. I closed my trade and then I was trailing my stop loss in my long position trade, and when this dump happened I closed my long position trade in profits only. So currently I'm out. Now here is one more thing to concern about, and that is when the price was here at $60,300, I made a tweet on Twitter. I said that there are high chances price of Bitcoin can also come below $59,000, meaning at this level $59,000 approx price of Bitcoin can come. And I was wrong, maybe, because my main analysis was that the price of Bitcoin has to come at $60,300 because it did not did a retest here. So to complete that retest, it has to come at $60,300 and then we can see a pump. And the same thing happened, but unfortunately I got confused and lost, and my main rule was broken. And my main rule is that I only have to stick on my analysis rather than listening or seeing anyone else's analysis, and that is the main mistake I did. I watched couple of other traders analysis, and I also hoped that the price of Bitcoin can come at $59K level also, and I made my decision that if the price comes at 59K then only I will enter in a long position. Well, it did not come, and you can clearly see it got reversed from $60,300 level only. So yeah, this is pretty bad, and the same lesson I have learned, that do not watch anyone else's videos or analysis or anything. I have to develop my own conviction, my own confluence, and I have to stick to my own analysis. And the same thing I will tell you also. You can watch my video or any other video just for a perspective. You have to learn trading on your own and stick to it only. So yeah, this is the main mistake I did. That's why I did not enter in a long position, or else I would have been long here at $60,300 approx. I would have gone long, and right now will be in profits, but it is what it is. Now what's next for Bitcoin, because right now it is pumping towards the upside, and well, right now I think that the price of Bitcoin will easily go till $65,400 level. So For sure, I know that the price of Bitcoin can come at $65,300 easily. And what I am expecting right now is, if I zoom out and if you focus on this trend line right here at yellow color, if I increase its opacity, then if you focus on this yellow trend line right here, price is in a downtrend: high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And right now also, see, there are three types of trend line right now: the brighter one, white, which is in bright, and if you, I hope you can see this white one, which is has low opacity, right? And the yellow one. So it is kind of tricky right now because the price of Bitcoin is in a downtrend for sure, but it is following all these three trend lines at the same time only. It is respecting all three of them. So currently, for my target towards the upside is that price of Bitcoin can pump all the way up till here at $67,800 approx. I would say right here, 67, or I would say $67,500 to $67,800 approx. It can pump if we see a huge bullish rally, because I already told you my first target for the price of Bitcoin is 65.4, and then we can see 67,400 or $800 level as well, because right now, as you all know, price of Bitcoin pumped from here towards the upside, now done a retest. Now we can see a continuation at least till here at this yellow trend line, but it is just a trend line. My main level is obviously this whole purple resistance zone right here. This is my first target. I already shared with you guys at 65,400. And yes, my second main most important target is $68,000, 68.8k level. If the price of Bitcoin breaks this level towards the upside, then we can see last stretch or a wick at least till 68.8k level. But this yellow trend line will be acting as a very important resistance in between. So let's see what happens. Currently I'm not in any trade right now and just waiting. Also my Solana trade, I hope you all remember, I closed that trade in profits as well. I was trailing it aggressively, and when the dump came, when this huge dump came in Bitcoin, same happened with every other altcoin as well. So all my trade was closed in profits. So currently I'm not in any trade, any crypto trade right now, and I am in a crude oil trade, and I made a short video of it yesterday. I hope you already know. I will link it in the comment and in the description. Do watch it as well. Crude oil, perfect video there. Analysis, same confluence again and again, and I entered for the first time. I remember a couple of weeks ago I entered in a crude oil trade. It ended up in profits only. My target was, for example, here, and it was very near my target, but yeah, few days ago only my target has been met. I entered second time on crude oil. So yeah, currently I'm not in any trade in crypto and only in crude oil, and I'm holding my crude oil trade. Let's see how long and how far it can go. So yes guys, this is it for today's video, and I hope you understand and learn from my mistake that I did. Very important and main mistake that I did, and should not have been done that, but it is what it is, and I will not repeat that mistake ever in future. However, my main analysis again was perfect. The price of Bitcoin came at $65,300 and got a push back towards the upside from the bulls. Currently my target is at the upper side of my purple zone of resistance. Let's see what happens, and I will try to find an entry, but it will be risky only because I always enter at my levels and not in between, because it is always risky. So yeah, currently I'm not in any trade, only crude oil trade. And if you want to trade Bitcoin or any other crypto, you can do that on Bybit or any exchange you want. And if you want to trade crude oil, you can do that on Exness. Link of both of them are in the description and in the pinned comments, or else you can just go to any search browser and create an account on any exchange you want. But don't fall for any scams, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.